Welcome to ideaelectro.com, where we bring you the latest tech tips and tricks. In today's video, we are going to show you how to scan QR code on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's start with easiest and most recommended method by ideaelectro.com using the control central. First, check the shortcut bar. If you cannot find the scanner here, just remove and get inside the setting. After setting, get inside the control central. Then you find here the code scanner. So this is the code scanner. I press here. Now it's get up in included control. Close the screen, drag the shortcut bar. Now you already saw here the scanner. So for now demo, I'm going to show our ideaelectro.com barcode scanner. Once it's scanned, it's automatic bring you in related website. The second method is using the built-in camera app. Simply open the camera. Make sure the rear-facing camera is activated and focus into the barcode. Tap it and you will be direct to the QR codes contained. Finally, if you prefer a hands-free option, you can use Siri to scan QR code. To get started, simply activate Siri by pressing button. Hey Siri, open the scanner. Then just scan. It's directly bring you in related link. Thanks for watching ideaelectro.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more tech related information. See you in next video.